Hello guys, this is your Miss Hina Imran and today's lesson is all about addition and subtraction. How to do the normal ones, how to do the carry sums, and what happens in the borrow sums. In the end, I will teach you how to do plus and minus mentally and quickly. So stick around. Let's understand tens and ones. Ones are separate, individual, one piece, and tens are 10. Each of these cubes, when you put it in a bundle together, they are called 1 tens. If there are 10, you put a bundle and it's a 10. Let's do the basic. First, simple addition and simple subtraction. The first thing that we have to do is always solve the ones section and then move on to the tens section. First we do the ones and then we move on to the tens sections. And always remember, when you're solving your ones section, you will put the answer under the ones section only. And when you're solving your tens, you're going to put your tens answer under the tens section. You're not going to go here and there, here and there. Ones answer under ones, tens answer under tens. Let's do the cube ones first. The question is 54 plus 32. Let's break it into ones and tens. We have 4 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many cubes? 2. 1, 2. So let's count from 4. What comes after 4? 5, 6. What's your answer? 6. Now remember, do you remember Miss Hina told you that these are not ones? These are 1 cubes bundled up in 10, making 1 tens. So this is 1 10, 2 10, 3 10, 4 10, 5 tens. We have 5 tens over here and then 3 tens. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 tens over here. Let's do it with our fingers. In fingers, we put some numbers, usually the larger number, in our head. So which one is the larger number, 4 or 2? 4. So 4 in our head and then 2 fingers out. So 4, and I'm going to count after 4. 4, 5, 6. So the answer is 6? Yes, the answer is 6. Let's do the tens section now and see if this 8 answer is correct or not. What number are we going to put in our head? The bigger one. 5. 5 in our head and 3 fingers out. So I'm going to count after 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yay! That's the correct answer. 8. Let's move on to the subtraction one now. The question is 54 minus 32. Now in subtraction, we take away, we minus, we cut from the bigger number. So we have to cut 2 from 4. Let's see, can we cut 2 from 4? Yes. 1, 2. So how many are left? 2. So the answer is 2. Now let's see the tens section. Do you remember the tens are bars that are joined together? There are 10 pieces in 1 10. So we need 5 tens and we need to subtract 3 from 5. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. 2 are left. Now let's do through our mind and fingers. In subtractions, we put the smaller number in our mind and we count till the next number or the bigger number through our fingers. Let me just make a fist. I'm not good with my drawings, please, so bear with me. Alright, 2 in my mind, and I will count till I reach 4. So what comes after 2? 3, 4. So how many fingers came out? 2 fingers came out. So 2 is the answer. Let's go on to the tens now. Now, remember I have told you we put the smaller number in our head. So 3 in our head, and I am going to count till I reach number 5. So let me make a silly fist. Alright, 3 in my mind, and what comes after 3? 4, 5. So how many fingers came out? 2 fingers came out. So 2 is the answer. So 22 is the answer. Now let's move on to the carry sums now. When we are counting the ones sections, and if we get a double digit or 2-digit number, we will never write the 2 numbers in the ones answer. You remember Miss Hina told you that the ones answer will always go on the ones sections, and the tens answer will always go on the tens sections. So if we get a double digit over here, we will not write it like this. Instead, this one will go and carry to the tens sections. I'll explain you how to do it. We will take that tens number and put it up on the tens sections. The whole bundle of 10 goes to tens. This is called carrying the tens number to tens sections. Let's see. Let's do the additions first. We have 56 plus 36, but we are going to break it into ones and tens. Let's see the cubes. You have 6 cubes of yellow over here, 6 cubes over here, 6 cubes of red over here, and 6 over here. So 6 plus 6. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When we have 10, we make the bundle. We think of it as a bundle. Alright. 10, 11, 12. Now we are having 2-digit over here, 12 number under ones sections. We cannot have 2 digits under ones sections because ones are what number? Ones are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's it. Ones are only till nines. We don't have a double digit in ones. So to solve the double digit problem, what we are going to do is move this whole 10 bundle on the tens sections over here. Can you see? Alright, so this has moved over here, and now we're only left with 2 over here. Now, let's move on to the tens sections. Remember, the tens are bar of 10 cubes together. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 over here, and then we have 3. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8. 8. Should I write 8 over here? No, I cannot write 8 over here because you remember I moved the tens, this tens over here. This tens is also going to be counted. So 8 plus 1 equals 9. Let's do the numeric one. 6 plus 6 is, what did we write? 12. So am I going to write 12 over here? No, I'm not allowed to write 12 over here. I'm not allowed to write 2 digits under one sections. So 1 is going to be carried up on the tens, and I'm going to be left with 2 over here. So I'm going to write 2 over here. Now 5 plus 1 equals 6. Now 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9. 92 ones over here, 92 ones over here. And I hope you remember that 1 sections remains under 1s and 10 sections remains under 10s. Let's do another sums. We have 39 and 14 plus. So we have 9 pieces and then 4 pieces over here. Let's see if it makes 10. If it makes 10, we are going to make a bundle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, we have a bundle of 110 over here. So we are left with 3 only over here. So 3 is going to come over here and the 1s will go over in the 10 sections, the carry. Alright, now we are going to count the 10s. How many 10s do we have? 3 and 1, 3 and 1, and this one also over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm not going to forget this 10s we got from the 1 section. So it's 5. Let's do it over here. 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4 makes 13. Am I going to write 13 over here? No, I'm not allowed to write double digit under 1s. So the 1s, the 10s will go on the 10s and 3 will come over here. Now 3 plus 1 makes 4 and 4 plus 1 makes 5. 53. Let's do the borrow sums now. Sometimes a number in one section is not big enough to minus from. So we borrow a 10 from the 10 section. 10 sections is a very kind section. It loves to give one whole 10 to the ones if the ones ask nicely. When the one asks its neighbor 10, "Can I have 110 from you, please?" The 10 says, "Yes, you may." So the 10 sections loses its 110s and becomes one less the number it was before. But it doesn't mind. Let's see, I'll show you how to do it. Alright, now we are doing the subtraction and the borrow sums. This is the 1 sections and this is the 10 sections. Alright, we have 53 minus or take away 36. Now, can I take 6 from 3? Does 3 have enough to take away 6? No, it doesn't have. So what does 1s do? 1s goes and asks its neighbor 10 very nicely. "Hello 10s, can I have 110 from you?" And the 10s is a very generous 10s. It says, "Alright, you can have 110s from me." So now the ones have 110s and 3 1s. So 110s and 3 1s makes 13. So now, can I minus 13 from 6? Yes. So now I can minus 13 from 6, and now I'm going to put the smaller number in my head, 6, and I will count till 13. So 6 in my head, and what comes after 6? Let me make a fist so that we can do it with our finger. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I'll need another fist. 12, 13. I'm going to stop at 13. So how many fingers came out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the answer. Alright. Now since the tens has given one of its tens to 3, so it loses its number and becomes 1 less. So 5 take away 1 is 4. So now this new number, the new number 10 is number 4. So can I take away 4 from 3? Yes. 1, 2, 3. So how many am I left with? Only 1. 1 is going to be the answer. So 17 is the answer. All right, let's do another new sums. The new number is 64 minus 47. You remember the ones will come under ones and the tens will come under tens. All right. Now we will do the ones first. Can we take away 7 from 4? Can you take away 7 from 4 cubes only? No, you cannot. So what are you going to do? The ones is going to ask the 10 very nicely, hello tens, can I have one number 10 from you? And the tens is very generous. And what does the 10 do? 10 says, all right, you can have 1 tenth from me. So the new number now is this 110. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14. So the new number is 14. Let's look at the numbers first. The number ones ask tens for 110. So this 6 gave its 110 to number 4 over here. And this 4, did it become 4 plus 1, 5? No, this is the 1/10, this one whole bar that came. So this is 110 and 10 plus 4 is 14. It also looks like a 14 also, 1 and 4. So can I now take 7 out of 14? Let's see. We will have to make our fist. I'm sorry, my drawing is a little bit silly. All right. So I'm going to put the smaller number in the head like we do in subtraction. So 7, and I'm going to count till I reach number 14. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. I'm going to stop at 14 because that's the last number that we have to just count till. All right. Now, how many numbers came out? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the answer. All right. All right. Now, since the tens 6 had given one of its 10 away, so it became less and it became 5. Can I take 4 out of 5? Yes. Let's cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many tens am I left with? 1. Yes. So the answer is 17. All right. Now let's do a recap of the head and finger method. In plus, we keep the bigger number on your head and count till the next number or the smaller number. So in plus, we keep the bigger number in my head. I will keep 7 in my head and I will count till the next number or the smaller number 4. So I will take out 4 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 7 in my head. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is the answer. Remember to put the bigger number in your head and keep counting till the smaller number. In minus, we keep the smaller number on your head and count till the next number or the bigger number. So I will keep 4 in my head and I will count till I reach number 6. So 4 in my head. 4. What comes after 4? 5, 6. So how many fingers came out? 2 fingers came out. So 2 is the answer. The number of fingers that come out is the answer. Alright, let's do some mental maths with addition and subtractions. Our first number is 7 plus 5. In addition, we put the bigger number on the head and we take out the other numbers in our fingers. Alright, 7 on my head, 5 fingers out. Now I'm going to close 5 fingers when I'm counting. 7, what comes after 7? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. What's the answer? 12. Alright, the next number is 8 plus 6. Which number am I going to put in my head? The bigger numbers. So 8 in my head, 8 on my head and 6 fingers out. 6 fingers out. Alright. So after 8, it's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. What's the answer? 14. Alright, let's do the third one. 5 plus 4. Which number am I going to put on my head? 5. 5 on my head and 4 fingers out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. What's the answer? 9. Let's go on to the minus one, the subtractions one. Now in subtractions, we put the smaller number in the head and I count till I reach the other numbers. So 5 in my head and I will now close my fist first. Remember, in plus I open my fingers, but in minus I close my fingers first. I close it in a fist and then I open it later. 5 in my head, the smaller number. 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came out? 2. Yes. So the answer is 2. Let's do 12 minus 6. Which number am I going to put in my head? 6. 6 inside my head and I will count till I reach the number 12. So 6. Now I'm going to open it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many fingers came out? 6. Yes. 6 is the answer. 15 minus 8. Which number am I going to put in my head? Yes, inside my head, I'm going to put 8. So 8 and I'm going to count till I reach the number 15. So I have to close my fist. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So how many fingers came out? 5, 6, 7. 7. Yes. Thank you for watching my video and I hope it will facilitate you into understanding your additions and subtractions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're here for the first time, as I regularly post videos that can help you a lot. For my returning subscribers, thanks a bunch for dropping by, guys. You can follow my other social platforms, links in the videos and description box. Till my next video, take care and bye.